In this video, I'm going to show you how to share PlanSwift file. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both right now. Now, the first one is to go up here and go to Tools and click on where it says Zip Swift Job. Now, you want to click on that, and via that, you can basically zip your file and you can basically save it. So as you can see, I could go to Downloads and then save it over here, and this is going to save the file, and I can just go ahead and send it to somebody, of course, via, for example, email or like Bluetooth, whatever you want to use. It's completely up to you. Now, that's the first way. The second one is via the send button inside PlanSwift. So you want to go to the home tab up top, and here it says email job. So you want to click on that. From here, you want to select email files if you actually want to share the PlanSwift file, and you want to click on next here. You want to add your files, so select some files. Here I have this one, which has been already zipped. I can click on open, there we go, and then you can go and click on next again, and from here you want to put in your name, your referral number if you have it, and then your email address, and then here you basically have to put in the recipient email address. I'm just going to add myself here, and then you can click on next, and after that you can just type in your message, whatever that is, click on next again, and whenever you're ready, you can just click on the finish button, and it's basically going to share the PlanSwift file via email, and that way you can send the file. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.